I consider this the family dream home right here in Ashgrove because it allows every member of the family to live, breathe, play and relax. The home sits on a sizable 617 square metres of land. The home is barely 10 years old. Enter through the front door and you'll find a lounge room and office. It's quite separate, and then alongside a bathroom. Flow down the hallway to the open plan kitchen, dining and lounge area. The kitchen has its own private walk-in butler's pantry. The timber bifold doors open out to the wonderful entertaining outdoor area. And of course, that wonderful, sparkling, family-sized swimming pool. Wow, come and spoil yourself here. This is the Parents' Retreat with all this beautiful space. Walk-in robe, beautiful ensuite with a bath, and it all flows out to this wonderful deck and its green vista. You'll also find 3 additional bedrooms, the 3rd lounge area and the family bathroom. 36 Farrell Street, well, it's everything that the families have been looking for, and in particular that wonderful flow from the kitchen to the pool to the yard, and then all 4 bedrooms on that top level, along with the schools and the lifestyle. Well, this is Ashgrove at its very best.